Improving your health doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. By making small changes to your daily routine, you can see positive results without drastically altering your lifestyle. Eat with your non-dominant hand to slow down your eating. Add healthy snacks like frozen fruit and snap pea crisp, and drink water before meals to curb overeating. Incorporate coffee into your day for heart health benefits, and opt for spicy foods to reduce appetite. Walking for just 2 minutes every hour and standing instead of sitting can help burn extra calories. Get an early start on chores to kickstart your metabolism, and aim to spend time with friends to reduce stress levels. Watching funny videos, petting your dog or cat, and parking farther away to walk more are simple ways to boost your health. Swap sedentary activities for more active ones like Wii tennis or outdoor games to stay active and energized.